Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video we are sharing with you how to download Google Chrome from Windows 10, when you first time install Windows 10, so keep watching and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, and thumbs up like button. First open Microsoft EDGE browser from taskbar. Or search in here Microsoft EDGE. Then click on this, software. Now search in here Google Chrome. Google Chrome, then press Enter. You can see this interface, then click on this link. Click on the Download Chrome button. Then click on the Accept and Install button. You can see here it's downloading. Then click on the Run option. Now you can see finally it's downloading. Wait few minutes for downloading. Downloading process has been completed. Now ready to use Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. Would you like this video? Please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. Share this video with your friends want to know how to download Google Chrome web browser. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section.